Christmas. It's a Merry Christmas. Joyeux Noël.
Merry Christmas, boy.
Papa. James. What are you doing? Oh, James, your feet are cold. Your feet are cold. Oh.
Where's Bandy and Skip then? Oh, Mrs. Mackenzie is a bit sick, but Bandy will be by later.
Feet are cold.
Okay.
Feet are cold. Your feet are cold. Yes. Somebody went poo-poo. I don't want to change you. I'm going to let you sit in it. Not really. Pop. You've started doing something with your lips. Maybe you're going to do it. It's like you discovered that you can fill them with air, and you're talking a lot more too. Are you talking, Papa? Are you talking? Huh? What's going on? What's going on, Papa? What? You ready to change diapers? Uh-oh. Are you ready to change the diaper? Yeah? You went poo-poo! What? 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 What's going on? Yeah? Handsome. Handsome boy. Handsome boy. Hi. Hi.
I saw Bandy giving it a flu, but I don't know if actually.
I hope she didn't suffer.
She's all out there. In heaven.
Oh, what is that, Papa?
What
What is that? You just keep looking at the camera. You stop talking when you look at the camera.
I'm not touching it.
What's going on, Papa? Okay, let's go change your diaper.